Here are 14 must-have workspace gadgets, because having the appropriate tools on hand can make all the difference in creating a comfortable and productive workspace in the ever-changing world of remote work. 1. Trio Portable Dual and Triple Screen Laptop Monitor. Remember when laptops used to be really bulky and it was such a challenge to carry them around? It's pretty amazing how thin laptops have become nowadays, thanks to the advancements in silicon technology. Nowadays, you can take your laptop along with its add-ons such as a portable monitor when you travel. Have you heard of Trio? It's this cool accessory that gives you a triple monitor setup for your laptop. This amazing product has not one, not two, but up to 3 screens. It's designed to help you multitask like a pro and supercharge your productivity. 2. QB JR1 Underdesk Elliptical Machine. You might not expect it, but being busy is good for your body in many ways. But it's hard to stick to a good workout plan when you have a lot going on at work and at home. In this case, the QB Seated Elliptical Machine is useful. QB's JR1 Seated Underdesk Elliptical Machine is a small elliptical machine designed for people who want to stay fit while sitting at their couch or office desk. This underdesk pedal exerciser was made with ergonomics in mind. It will help you get fit again with little to no effort and little to no effect on your joints. 3. eMeeting Capsule 360-degree conference camera with speaker. This device is not only incredibly cool, but it's also a really practical office tool. eMeeting Capsule is a 360-degree webcam for your meeting room. This camera is different from others because it has a 360-degree lens and 8 mics that can record sound and video from a group of people. This feature is great for hybrid teams because it lets people in the room and people who aren't there feel like they're part of the talk. The eMeet capsule is plug and play and comes with a portable control, among other features. 4. Everlasting Comfort Office Chair Seat Cushion. This seat cushion is a useful comfort accessory that can significantly enhance a good office chair or elevate a great office chair. This seat cushion appears to be so useful for WFH that it has an unbelievable number of reviews on Amazon. The cushion's made of pure memory foam, which molds to the person who sits on it and relieves pressure. Easy to fit on almost any chair. Because the cover lets air pass through, it's also a great way to beat the heat in home offices that don't have air conditioning or are in a less well-cooled part of the house. 5. TickTime Pomodoro Countdown Timer. If you want to improve the quality of your life and your productivity, you need a time manager. You don't need to hire someone to help you plan your time. With TickTime, you have a tool for work that helps you concentrate on what's important quickly and with few interruptions. There are 3 ways to keep track of time in TickTime: start to count, preset countdown, and customize countdown. You don't have to start the countdown all over again with preset timer, you just have to flip it. When you use a customized countdown, you can set the time however you like. That means you can do it by hand. Start to count, on the other hand, lets you begin time at 0 and go up to 99 minutes and 59 seconds. 6. Monitor Mate Probase X USB 3.0 Monitor Stand. Most of the time, raising your monitor to the right level is all it takes to make your office or home desk more ergonomic. You shouldn't choose a cheap metal or plastic stand if you want a stand that fits in with the rest of your room's decor. The Monitor Mate stand is stylish and useful, and it will change the way you work. The Probase X is a monitor stand made of metal from Monitor Mate. It is a stand with a dock for better access. It was made with great care to make sure it meets your needs as a user. 7. Phebo Electric Standing Desk for Office. The Phebo Electric Standing Desk smoothly fixes the main issue with standing desks by making it simple to switch between sitting and standing heights. For home office workers who share a workspace, the quick and easy height change is also a great feature. Phebo's standing desk is easier to set up than manual ones because it only has buttons to control it instead of knobs, levers, and moving arms. You can save up to 3 different height settings on the desk, and it has automatic anti-collision technology, so if you bump into the button by chance, the desk won't move. It can go as low as 27.16 inches and as high as 46.06 inches. The desk sits on the floor and can hold up to 155 pounds. 8. Samsung 49-inch CRT Curved Monitor. For people who want to work from home and need a lot of screen space, the Samsung CRT monitor is one of the most important aspects for working from home. It does everything that 2 standard 16:9 monitors do, so you can use just one of these screens instead of a normal desk with 2 monitors. This one monitor also has all the screen space of two 16:9 displays without a frame getting in the way of the content bleeding between the two screens. Because the screen is curved, the 49-inch display takes up less horizontal room than a flat display of the same size. 9. Nowhouse Ergo 3D Ergonomic Office Chair. If your job requires you to sit at a desk for long amounts of time, an ergonomic office chair is one of the best investments you can make. The Nowhouse Ergo 3D is a great choice that doesn't cost too much. This chair molds to the person sitting in it and lets the most air flow through, which is a big plus if your home office gets hot. The mesh headset can be moved up and down for comfort, and the arms can be rotated and moved in X, Y, and Z directions, giving you 4 ways to customize your comfort. 10. Soap Air Purifier kills viruses that HEPA filters can't. Looking for easy and useful ways to make sure the air quality inside your home is good? The Soap Air Purifier is the new thing in town right now. As part of Phone Soap's theme of cleanliness, the company's released this gadget that has more unique features than other HEPA filters. This amazing machine can get rid of 99.9% of bacteria and viruses in the air. It works just as well as high-quality UV air cleaners used in hospitals. Can this kill coronavirus? Yes, according to the company. 11. Omni 6-in-1 Charging Station. This charging stand can charge up to 6 devices at the same time and can be used for many things. It looks like carbon fiber and is made of aramid fiber. It is very light and looks good. It has both a Type-C and a Lightning connector, so it works with both the iPhone and other devices that accept Type-C. Everything charges quickly, so you get the most power in the least amount of time. 12. Tree of Light Modern Desk Lamp. This Tree of Light lamp has a small design structure, a Bluetooth speaker, a wireless charger, and the lamp itself. The whole thing is made in the shape of a tree, which is very beautiful to look at. The wood shade of this lamp lets the light dim gradually, which is really cool to use. It comes with a Bluetooth 4.0 speaker that you can connect to your phone. This lamp also comes with a wireless charger that charges quickly. You'll be able to charge your cell phones that enable wireless charging swiftly. 13. Mof Smart Desk Mat. If you haven't heard already, Mof makes some of the coolest and most useful phone, tablet, and laptop devices. They just came out with a cool work accessory that can hold and organize your laptop, phone, AirPods, and other things. The Mof Smart Desk Mat comes with a number of magnetic attachments, or extras, that you can snap onto different parts of the mat to make it fit your needs. Keep in mind that this will only work with phones that have a sticky case or a sticker and not without one. The mat supports up to 16-inch laptops. 14. Uivo Under Desk Treadmill. Our final pick is the Uivo Under Desk Treadmill, an ideal choice for those striving to maintain an active lifestyle while working from the home office. Given that remote work often extends beyond the typical 8-hour workday, prolonged periods of sitting can heighten the risk of health issues, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and high blood pressure. This innovative treadmill addresses these concerns by allowing you to set a personalized speed while working, promoting physical activity throughout your day. Driven by a robust 2.25 horsepower motor, this treadmill accommodates a maximum load of 265 pounds, ensuring both stability and quiet operation. Offering a versatile 0.6 to 4 mph speed range, it caters to both walking and jogging needs, making it a seamless fit under your desk. The included remote control adds to the convenience, featuring a one-key prompt sound elimination function and a magnetic attachment for easy storage. Don't compromise your well-being during work hours. The Uivo Under Desk Treadmill is your solution for staying active and healthy while embracing the flexibility of remote work. From ergonomic upgrades to smart assistants, each gadget serves a unique purpose in enhancing your work environment. Let us know in the comments which gadget caught your eye, and if there's a must-have gadget you swear by that we missed, comment below.